What's up everyone, welcome back to Nathan's Life. So today we're looking at the Neewer NW-800 condenser microphone with the Neewer NW-100 power supply. So basically the whole kit comes with a pop filter, a windsock or whatever you want to call it, a shock mount, a boom stand type thing that you clamp to your desk, and the microphone obviously, two XLR cables, and obviously the power supply. So basically the two XLR cables, the one is an XLR male to female, the other one is XLR to aux.
Locate the biohazard container.
To mic in, whatever you want to call it, but it's an aux jack. Or 3.5mm jack, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just playing some Rainbow Six Siege to see if it picks up any background noise, because I have a mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX Blue switches, so they're quite loud. Yeah, so I'm also using my speakers just to test if it picks up any background noise, so we'll see that. And I'm gonna do a comparison. So I'm gonna do a comparison between pop filter, windsock, and nothing in a second after this round. Yeah, so I tested this mic and I have to say the lows are pretty beefy on this. But oh no. What happened there? Okay, that was fun. That was a bit rough. Okay, but I'm gonna let me finish this game, and I will see you at the keyboard test. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm just gonna do a typing test online. Let's see, retake test. I'm not the best at typing in any case, but let's go. Okay, so that was a keyboard test, and basically that's it, actually. So this kit basically took me, let's say, 10 minutes max to set up. It was really easy, it was pretty simple, and I have to say this mic actually sounds pretty decent, so hopefully I can like just better it in Power Director, because the lows are like a bit beefy on this. So actually, let me do the windsock versus pop filter versus nothing test. So this is the windsock. Peas, beans, pounds. Here's without anything. Peas, beans, pounds. And here's with the pop filter. Let me just set it up. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so peas, beans, pounds. So basically that's it. Let me just get my sock filter again. There we are. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, click on my channel, go check out my other videos. I do everything from PC videos to car videos to vlogs to everything. So if you like those type of videos, click on it and check it out. Maybe you'll like my channel, and please subscribe if you do. That helps me a lot. So yeah, thank you for watching this, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Nathan's Life, and I'm signing off. Cheers.